Welcome to the first in our tips series, helping you to get the most out of your AWS deployments. We'll be doing a new video every week with a tip about Amazon Web Services. Our first tip today is about embracing the cloud workflow for your projects in order to save money. When you move your apps to the cloud, it's worthwhile to rethink how they function in order to make full use of the AWS features. For our use case, let's take an encoding application for legal documents. The requirements from your client states that you have to index, categorize and encode documents whenever someone scans them and uploads them to your app. The way the code is currently written, it runs as a background task on a server. There are, however, two big problems with that. The task uses a lot of resources, because encoding documents can be CPU heavy. And because it needs to run as a background task, that means you need to provision an expensive EC2 instances, which could cost you hundreds of dollars once you move the code to AWS. So what's the solution? Because the task is only used when a new document is scanned, you can instead run it as an Amazon Lambda function. These functions are serverless, meaning that you don't need to keep an expensive server running all the time, like you do in your own data center. Instead, the function will only run, and thus only cost money, when a new document needs to be processed. Even if it means reworking your application now, it can be a major cost saving over the long run. By learning about all the various features the cloud can offer, or hiring someone who knows how to navigate these resources, you can ensure your application is cloud native and your workflow maximizes those resources, giving you a much better result.